sir.
Are you? Is it the whiteboard visible to you? Now let us see. I have written here chemical composition of chromosome. Chemical composition of chromosome. Look here. The chromosome chemically consists of two parts: nucleic acid and protein. The chromosome chemically consists of nucleic acid and protein, and the proteins are of two types: histone protein and non-histone protein. Proteins are of two types: histone proteins and non-histone proteins. Similarly, the nucleic acid, the nucleic acid present in the chromosome is DNA, but some amount of a few molecules of RNA are also found in the chromosome. So in this way, the main two components, chemically the chromosome consists of two parts: nucleic acid and proteins are of two types: histone proteins and non-histone proteins. And the nucleic acid and nucleic acid include the DNA, most of the DNA, and a very few molecule of some RNA molecule like mRNA and ribosomal RNA etc. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से न्यूक्लिक एसिड जो मेन कंपोनेंट्स है. अब हम फिर यहाँ आई हैव अगेन रिटेन हियर द मेजर कंपोनेंट. लुक हियर द मेजर कंपोनेंट्स. कोई आपसे पूछेगा कि व्हाट इज द मेजर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, व्हाट आर द मेजर केमिकल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, देन you will have to say that the chromosome consists of DNA and histone protein. DNA and histone, major part 90%. The chromosome chemically consists of DNA and histone protein. DNA and histone protein constitute about 90% of the total structure of the chromosome, whereas the rest 10% include non-histone proteins and RNA and other constituents. The major 90% part of the chromosome, the 90%, 90 plus, more than 90% part of the chromosome consists of DNA and histone protein. And the histone protein, as you have already studied in the nucleosome model, the histone proteins are of 5 types. 5 types: H2A, H2A, H2B, H3, H4, and H1. So this the histone proteins H2A, H2B, H3, and H4, and H1 protein. And you have already seen, and I have already taught you in the previous lectures, that this DNA chemically interact with this histone protein to form the nucleosome. And nucleosome appears like the beads on the string-like structure. The interacting complex of DNA with this histone protein constitute the nucleosome, and two molecules each, H2A, 2 molecules of H2A, 2 molecules of H2B, 2 molecules of H3, and 2 molecules of H4 constitute the central core part of the nucleosome structure, whereas this H1 protein remains associated with the linker DNA. ये बात पिछले क्लास में हो चुकी है. अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि यही लिखा हुआ है कि DNA प्लस हिस्टोन प्रोटीन न्यूक्लियोसोम बनाता है. अब आप सब जानते हो कि दिस DNA स्टैंड फॉर डीऑक्सीराइबोज न्यूक्लिक एसिड, एंड दिस DNA कंसिस्ट ऑफ two polynucleotide chains. देखो यहाँ I have written here DNA polynucleotide chains, and these polynucleotide chains consist of deoxyribonucleotides, and there are look here, I have written here phosphoric acid, sugar plus nitrogenous base. The phosphoric acid, the phosphate group present in the nucleic acid DNA is the H3PO4. What is the meaning of H3PO4? H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid. S stands for the sugar, and the empirical formula of this deoxyribose sugar is C5H10O4, and nitrogenous bases present in this DNA is the pyrimidine base plus purine base. Look here the structure. Pyrimidine bases are of the two types present in the DNA, thymine and cytosine, and this is the ring. This is the pyrimidine ring structure. This is the pyrimidine ring, which shows here the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these pyrimidine bases include thymine and cytosine, and the purine bases include adenine and guanine. And this ring, this is called purine ring. And purine ring में दो रिंग होते हैं, pyrimidine ring होता है और दूसरा imidazole ring होता है. इसको जरा अच्छा से देखना है पूजा. हेलो. हाँ सर. हाँ. ये रिंग जरा अच्छा से देखो. ये जो पायरिमिडीन बेस है जो थाइमीन और साइटोसिन में होता है, इस बेस को, इस स्केलेटन को हम लोग, ये रिंग जो दिख रहा है 6, ये जो बेंजीन रिंग की तरह दिखलाई पड़ रहा है ना, हेक्सागोनल जो ये 6 रिंग है, इस रिंग को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? पायरिमिडीन रिंग कहते हैं. अब पायरिमिडीन रिंग में यहाँ देखिए आप पोजीशन कैसे काउंट करते हैं. जहाँ देखो यहाँ पर कार्बन है, यहाँ कार्बन, यहाँ कार्बन, यहाँ नाइट्रोजन, यहाँ कार्बन, यहाँ नाइट्रोजन। तो इस रिंग को पायरीमिडीन रिंग कहते हैं। और इस पायरीमिडीन रिंग का नंबरिंग कैसे करते हैं? हाउ दिस रिंग इज नंबर्ड? दिस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट द पोजीशन 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6। तो इस तरह से पायरीमिडीन रिंग, द